Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to find how much RAM is installed on a computer, Windows 10 PC or laptop. So as you want to find how much RAM is installed on a computer in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly click on Start, tap here Task Manager. Open Task Manager. And click on Performance. That is CPU, memory, disk, Wi-Fi, GPU. So guys, this is very simple and easy and quick method if you want to find how much RAM is installed on a computer, Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching.